Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you. This one is from the Witch's Moon for February, and I believe it's the Witch's Roots. It is. So we have the Witch's Roots for February. Okay. This is what it looks like when I open it. Our theme for February is spells practice. Practice us. I'm butchering that. So first thing here, we have an oracle card. And mine says channeling. Looks like there's crystals. A book of shadows. Ooh, this one's manifestation. Very pretty. And this one is red sandalwood, I'm assuming. Beautiful. They're going crazy. Ooh, so we have a reusable bag. We have our beeswax candle, which is a beautiful purple. Very nice. It smells good. Ooh, we have Enchanted Cranberry Ritual Herbal Tea. Look at that pretty bag that it's in. Hi, guys. Cool, right? We have a bag of sandalwood. Really nice. We have a purple bag sachet here. Looks like it's got purpurate in it. Let me see if that's what this is. Ooh, it is. We have a nice piece of purpurate. Rough. Right? Nice. Nice gummy there. We have a bubble. Intent. Pretty bottle. It says intent. Very cool. Ooh, what do we have here? Ooh, we have a cute little box. It says Spells, a little deck of enchantments by Lorraine Anderson. That's cute. Look at this. I like it. We also, guys, have a cute matching, like a burgundy color bag to go with it to hold our cards. And we have frankincense incense sticks. So that is a pretty cool box. Let's see more about the theme. The time has come for you to step upon the open road of possibility. No longer can fear control your thoughts. No longer can fear control your thoughts. No longer will you hesitate to pursue your goals. Brighter days bring with them the promise of new life and reborn perspective. The creative ideas that have been bottled inside of you now can be released upon your world. Whether your focus is on love, money, peace, travel, career, or protection, this unique collection provides you with the practical spells to push you towards making a real change. The magical items in this box are as follows. Red sandalwood has been valued throughout the past 4,000 years for its beautiful red color and distinct fragrance when burned within incense blends. The essence of red sandalwood can also be found within the dye of many ancient wool hand spinners. This beautiful redwood is commonly found within perfumes associated with the Kabbalah's tree of life, especially in Nezstek. Raspberry sandalwood red sandalwood stands as a conveyor of true beauty and magical intent. Then our beautiful sandalwood grimoire, A.E. Alden. Spells, the little cute little deck by Enchantments. There's all cute little spells in here with the purple velvet bag to carry them in. Manifestation Book of Shadows artwork, also by A.E. Alden. We have Intent Oil. This magical oil contains the energy to assist you in a broad range of applications. We specifically recommend anointing candles or adding it to herbal blends associated with intention setting or manifestation work. This oil has been enchanted with cinnamon, clove, lemon, and ginger. Oils also include ginger root, peppermint clove, and licorice roots. And it's also mixed with their oil called So It Is from their magical cabinet. Then we have the frankincense incense sticks, which is really great to use during meditation or ritual work. Then our candle has been hand rolled, and it's called Aura of Creation. And it's been, mini spill candle has been with the intentions of providing space for you to create. So we have that. We have the rough purpurite stone. It is able to turn your mundane tasks into something that serves a higher purpose and provides more than a subtle feedback, but rather manifests through new ideas and inspirations, joy, and a sense of power and truth. Carry this stone without you through the day to place upon your altar. And then the oracle reading is from Crystal Grid Oracle. And our beautiful tea, which I don't know, must have jumped over that here. Enchanted Crumble Herbal Tea is made with rooibos, cranberry, orange peel, hibiscus, and fruit flavor. And of course the bag. And then just want to take a quick peek and give you an idea what these look like inside, because these are really cute. Okay. Let me see if I get this open. Cute little box. Get these cute little cards. They look like this. Each one's like different. Yeah, they're all different designs. In the back, and they're all different little spells. They're cute. And it's like a yellow color. So there's all kinds of different cute little spells in here. And get lots. How to use the cards, it tells you here. So what do you guys think of the Witch's Roots? What's your favorite item? I'll leave the information about this box in the description below. Thank you guys for watching and have a blessed day.